Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to copy and paste on your Lenovo laptop. So to copy, first you have to have some text or image to copy. You just have to hold your mouse over what you want to copy. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and C, and it will copy the text. And as you can see, now when I press Ctrl and the V button, the text will be pasted on whatever you want. You just have to hover your cursor when you want it pasted. And to cut your content, just press Ctrl and X at the same time, and it will cut your content, and you can paste it the same way as if you have copied the text. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.